But you know, last night, yo, it was the best. I met a pretty girlie na taga-IS. Mayroon siya mga kasama to make it sure. Isa lang ang aking napuna, lahat sila demure. Kaya ang sabi niya, hey Andrew, I would like you to meet my friends. And believe me, lahat sila ay my Mercedes-Benz. This is Anna, this is Karen, this is Tanya, this is Jill. Lahat sila nakatira sa San Lorenzoville among the four. Kay Anna, ako na patingin. At pagkatapos nun si Anna ay biglang lumapit sa akin. Tinanong niya ako, hey Andrew, can I have your number too? Sumagot ako, 801-6722. Okay then, kami nag-party, yo, to the break of dawn. Umuwi ako ng bahay, then natulog ako maghapon. And you know, ako'y ginising, and talagang na siya